Alright, let me show you what we got going on here. Hopefully I ain't got rat nests in here already. Woo, been a minute. I thought maybe it's going to risk cracking all the way, so I got to put, not sure how it cracked. I'm wondering if when he offloaded it. Up that new road right there. Alright, happy Friday. It looks like we're gonna have a nice day. It was cold this morning, it was like 20, but full sun today, so we should have a good day. Sharon's off of work. We're headed out to the project property. I finally have the repair stuff for that exhaust leak. So hopefully we'll have the John Deere high lifter rolling today, rumbling I should say. Start making some real progress now. So the second dumpster is 3/4 full. I'll top that off, order another one, and get cutting some wood somewhere. I mean, there is 3 loads of gravel there that I could do a hasty spread on with the dozer, the high lifter. But we got to pick the trash yet once more time. And the big rocks from that barn area, but should be a really good day today. So join us for some fresh air, and man, just sucking the fresh air in your lungs is a good feeling. So happy Friday. All right, let me show you what we got going on here. Hopefully I ain't got rat nests in here already. Oh, that leaf startled me. Okay, here is our leak. Actually, I thought maybe it's going to risk cracking all the way, so I got to put tape on. I am going to put a couple of steel, like flat stock on here just to help hold this together. Not sure how it cracked. I'm wondering if when he offloaded it, this whole machine kind of shifted. I wonder if that's when it cracked. But anyways, let's get that taken care of. All right, here's my repair kit. This is the exhaust wrap, super high temp. Stop them menards, get a couple of stock. That was about the closest I think I fit on the size. And then these are 3-inch clamps. Should be able to knock them down. Yep. So there we go. That's the repair kit. Not exactly sure what order I want to go just yet. I'm gonna figure it out though. Okay, there it is. It may not look the prettiest, but it should be functional. I got that gaps closed up for the exhaust leak. You know, it was louder, sounded like headers a little bit, but the threat here was debris could go in there and get into the turbo and really wreck this thing. So this should be fully functional. We'll see how she goes. Been a minute. Been a minute. Got the heater on. Rock and roll. Okay, so the first mission for today was to load the dumpster out. This is like the third junk pile from this property, but I had to be really careful because basically literally right under this junk pile was the septic pipe, and I did not want to bring the John Deere over the septic line for fear, I didn't want to risk crushing it. So I was able to snake around the John Deere, around the junk that I haven't got to yet, and we're going to load out this farthest pile like you see here, from the excavator into the John Deere, into the dumpster, and that's how we're going to start the day off. But I promise you it's going to be a good success today. Man, the heat's blowing me out, so that's good it's working. It's gonna fill an eighth of that dumpster in one bucket. Cleaning up probably decades worth. That's an old trash burn pit. You see that looked like a sycamore tree was growing in there, so I give you an idea. It's been sitting a while. Gotta open a window, man. The heater was too hot. It's a good problem though. Woo! Have to smash that baby down. All right, carry on. Keep rolling. All full now. We got a lot of packing to do yet. Get this mess mostly all cleaned up over here. All right, here's a midstream look on the yard. That dumpster's packed. It's down to hand picking now. Remember, this used to be a big pile right here. And then I think I pulled, I pulled the barn from out in that corner. Pulled a rabbit pen from that corner. Several piles up here for the neighbor. Just got it all rough graded. Them piles are all gone and loaded. So now it's time to hand pick. Hand pick and then order a new dumpster.